Yeah, that view is insane on this side as well. Hotel room tour. First video here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. At the kitchen. Pretty nice. Kind of like a desk to work in. Anyway, y'all, this is the end of the room tour video. I know that it is hard to see a little bit because it's darker out here than it was compared to the day, but I got a little bit of a view on camera when I was doing the room tour earlier. But I'm excited to see what the week ahead until August 5th brings for us down here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The colorful light way down there is a sky wheel down in downtown Myrtle Beach. Really cool. Some crazy houses down there. I would definitely get some footage, and you guys will definitely see them in the backgrounds of my videos here. And the view when I'm doing intros to some videos at daytime. But the room tour was to start off the video here today, and to start off this week-long vacation down here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, which is gonna be very, very fun. We are here until August 5th, 1 week from today. We're gonna do so much fun stuff, so many cool videos. Oh, that's gonna look cool. The moon is right up there, coming out of the cloud. Can see it shining on the ocean, which looks insane. There it is. To end off this video. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to never miss more videos, especially this fun week ahead of time. Anyway, every day ends out, and and also turn on post notifications to never miss more lit videos, not just this week through August 5th, but through future videos and every video after that. Anyway, now every day ends out. Peace.